Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our BMW 128ti, finished in grey. This car hasn't got the red bits on that some of them do, which is a personal preference I suppose on the exterior. It does have some really nice options though. As you can see, it's on 18-inch alloys. There are a couple of alloy wheel refurbs that we will do on the car as per usual. It is a 2022 72 model that we purchased off a private seller through one of our trade contacts. It's a really nice car. Just open the boot. I think one of the keys needs a battery. There we go. There's a protector of some sort there on that. Obviously people have had stuff in the boot. There we go. The seats in the back. Simon, our valeter, has been on this most of today, getting it ready for sale, so it is a lovely example, really nice example. 27,366 miles. It has Harman Kardon, heated seats. The rest of the specification will be on the advert. As always, we do offer finance. We take part exchanges. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.